Welcome to your morning meditation. Today we will bloom like a flower, opening up to the possibilities of the day, full of beauty and potential. Just as a flower opens to the warmth and light of the sun, we too will open ourselves to the opportunities and blessings this day brings. Let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position, either on the floor or in a chair, where your body feels supported and at ease. Let your hands rest gently on your knees or in your lap, wherever they feel most natural and relaxed. Feel the ground beneath you, steady, stable, supporting your body just as the earth supports the roots of a flower. Now, close your eyes softly, allowing yourself to turn inward and connect with this moment. Take a deep, nourishing breath in through your nose, allowing the air to fill your lungs and expand your chest. And slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension or tightness in your body. With each breath, feel your body beginning to soften, like the petals of a flower gently unfolding in the warmth of the morning sun. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. Feel its gentle rhythm as it moves in and out of your body. As you inhale, imagine a delicate flower slowly opening its petals to the sunlight. Visualize the petals of this flower gradually unfolding, layer by layer, reaching out toward the light and warmth. With each breath, your body, too, begins to gently open and expand. Inhale and feel your body softening, just like the petals of the flower, opening up to receive the sunlight of the new day. Exhale and feel any tension or resistance gently releasing, allowing you to expand even more. Now, as the flower continues to open, set an intention for your day, just as the flower turns its petals toward the light. What do you want to invite into your life today? Is it joy, creativity, gratitude, love? Take a moment to reflect on what energy you would like to cultivate and carry with you throughout the day. Silently say to yourself, "Today, I bloom with," and fill in your intention. Let this intention, like the sunlight, fill you up and nourish you as you continue to bloom and expand throughout your day. As you continue to breathe, imagine yourself as this beautiful flower, fully opening to the light and warmth of the sun. Feel the sunlight on your petals, warming you and providing all the energy and nourishment you need to thrive. This sunlight is full of positivity, peace, and potential. With each inhale, you open a little more, welcoming the light and positivity into your body and mind. Feel how easy and natural it is to simply open, to receive all the goodness that the universe has to offer. With each exhale, release any tightness, any lingering tension or stress that might be holding you back from fully blooming. Just like a flower blooms naturally and effortlessly, you too can let go of the need to control every aspect of the day ahead. There's no need to rush the process of blooming. Trust that everything will unfold as it should. Know that just as a flower grows with sunlight, water, and time, you too will grow and thrive with the right conditions. All you need is within you, and the light and nourishment you need are already around you. Breathe in deeply and feel yourself becoming more open, more receptive to the beauty and potential that surrounds you. Breathe out and let go of any worries, any doubts about what the day might bring. Allow yourself to simply bloom. For the next few moments, sit with the sensation of blooming. Feel your body and mind fully open, receptive to the light, the love, and the goodness that surrounds you. There is no rush. Just as a flower blooms in its own time, trust that you too will open fully at your own pace. With each breath, invite more light and energy into your being. Breathe in and feel yourself opening to the opportunities and possibilities of the day. Breathe out and feel yourself softening, relaxing, and expanding. Feel your petals reaching out, fully open, fully alive. Take a deep, nourishing breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself fully bloomed, completely open, and ready for the day ahead. You are now in full bloom, radiant, and full of potential. Carry this sense of openness and beauty with you throughout the day. Know that you can return to this feeling of blooming anytime you need to throughout the day. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room around you. Feel the ground beneath you, steady and supportive, just as the earth supports the roots of a flower. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently, bringing a sense of gentle movement back to your body. When you're ready, slowly and gently open your eyes. As you move forward into your day, carry this sense of blooming with you. Like a flower, you are open to all the beauty, opportunity, and potential that this day brings. You are full of light and energy, ready to thrive in whatever comes your way. Remember, just as a flower blooms in its own time, you too can trust in your own timing. There is no need to rush. Allow yourself to bloom at your own pace, with grace and ease. Whenever you feel the need to reconnect with this sense of openness, you can return to your breath and to this feeling of blooming. Take one last deep breath in and out, carrying this sense of openness, light, and beauty with you throughout your day.